It's the new year and you may be thinking about losing weight. Perhaps you've given liposuction a passing thought and then you thought, I just can't do that. Well, there is another alternative. It's called I-LIPO. Dr. Charles Couture from TLC Aesthetics is here with more details. Doctor, good to have you back.
Thanks to see you, Cindy.
I-LIPO, what is it exactly?
I-LIPO is basically a non-invasive, non-surgical alternative to liposuction. It's a very easy treatment. Many movie stars have had this done. Matthew McConaughey,
Really?
Jessica Alba, Khloe Kardashian. And it works basically by putting a laser to the treatment area secured with a little Velcro belt. And the fat cell basically shrinks from a grape to the size of a raisin.
Okay, and how long do you have to do this?
The average treatment is about 2 times a week for 4 weeks, so 8 total treatments. And after each treatment, you should see some reduction in inches.
And is it permanent?
Yeah, I mean, basically all of these treatments, even surgical liposuction, which is the most invasive, if you resort back to having unhealthy lifestyle, you can always gain it back.
Right. Now we have some before and afters that are pretty dramatic to take a look at, and I'm going to get you to tell us what you did for our first patient here.
Okay. So if you can see here, if you're looking at the back specifically, and you see the dimples or the ripples around the back and the smoothing contour of the back, and also there's a lot of cellulite, the dimpling of the buttock area, and now we have some smoothness. So it's very good also for cellulite, not only fat reduction, but also cellulite reduction.
Look at that.
Here we have a midsection, and you can see the results are pretty obvious. The belly is the most common area, belly fat reduction is, but cellulite is also good. You know, you see the results right there.
Obviously they've lost inches, but they've also lost weight too when this happens.
Sometimes we incorporate this with the weight loss program, but these photos are from the machine.
That is great. And no discomfort when they're having this?
No, you know, darker skin types, either myself or someone a little darker, you might just feel a little warmth, but no real pain. Unlike a lot of the other devices out there, we don't break the skin, there's no anesthesia involved. It's tolerable by basically all patients.
There is another procedure out there where they take your fat and they suck it into this thing and then they freeze it, but I've talked to some people and they felt quite a bit of pain afterwards.
Yeah, not only pain, but sometimes there's risks of damage to nerves or other tissues surrounding that. This is a low-level laser, so the patients don't experience those kind of side effects or complications.
How safe is it?
It's very safe. You know, as we mentioned before, many of the movie stars are doing it.
I was amazed when you said Jessica Alba, because I just thought that was her God-given perfect body, but no.
We all have our little secrets.
Everybody's got their little spot that they could, so even if you've got just a little pouch here or there that you think, you think no matter how much I work out, I can't get rid of this, this could be the answer. Yes.
So it's very safe. You have to wear goggles during the treatment, just protecting the eyes, but that's not a really big deal.
What about downtime?
There's no downtime. I mean, if you have 20 minutes to spare, you can do it. You come in, you know, like I said, usually 2 times a week for 4 weeks. There's no downtime. You're not going to be doubled over in pain or, you know, look like you need to hide in a cave for a week.
Nothing like that?
No, not at all.
Go right back to your daily activities.
Go back to your daily living, and you see the results very quickly.
Well, I think a lot of people love the thought of that. Thank you very much, Doctor.
All right.
For more information, you can log on to BotoxFun.com, or you can always call 813-874-1TLC. It's called I-LIPO. So if you're interested, give the doctor a call. We'll be right back with more Daytime, so don't go away.